Good evening, everybody. What a pleasure it is to be in this magnificent and historic Great Hall, a place where people have been gathering for more than 1,000 years. In its long history, this room has seen kings and queens, prime ministers and presidents come and go. It's withstood the Great Fire of London, the Blitz, and it's regenerated itself many times over. That makes it a fitting setting to announce the recipient of the inaugural Thinkers50 Regenerative Business Award. These past 2 days, we've heard some of the brightest minds in management thinking discussing the importance of businesses becoming regenerative and sharing their insights from their research, their tools and frameworks that organizations can adopt to make the transition to being regenerative a reality. At the core of it all is the heart of a regenerative future, is a change of mindset. We can rewire our business models, reset our strategy, and realign our purpose. But to make all of this have meaning and impact, we need to think differently. Regeneration is putting life at the center of every action, every decision, so our businesses can pursue profit and pursue prosperity for our communities, and pursue people and the natural environment, and help the planet profit from every decision that we make. How will our ecosystems and networks profit from our actions? How will humanity flourish into the future with our businesses in it and helping? With those thoughts in mind, I'm more than excited to reveal the recipient of this timely award, the Thinkers50 Inaugural Regenerative Business Award. And the recipient is Paul Hawken.
Thank you for recognizing the work that I have done. In my books like Drawdown Regeneration, I had researchers from all over the world. We worked as a collaboration. And I always said to them, in God we trust. All others bring data. And I feel like my message to everybody there is God, there's other words you can use, but the sacredness of the home, this place, this earth, life itself, to really sort of maybe step back and ask oneself, what am I doing about that, for that, on behalf of that? Or what am I doing to understand it better? What do my children say? I remember once somebody asked me, when you see the Ray Andersons and the CEOs who really changed, what was the one thing that changed their mind? I said, that's an easy one. It was their daughters coming back from college. Changed their dads. But I'm saying, the whole earth is your daughter or son, but it's your Mother Earth. And she is crying out, and I feel like you deserve in your short life to, in a sense, bathe in that, to bring it in, to take it in and see how it transforms you and your heart and your mind and your life and your relationships. It's beckoning. You could look at the world as saying, oh, it's going to hell. That's one way to look at it. You could look at it another way, which is it's really requesting your presence, in a more profound way. Thank you, Thinkers50, for the recognition, but more so for the opportunity to speak to you today and acknowledge what you're doing and thanking you for your effort and for Thinkers50 as an organization, and hope that I can somehow interface with you once again at some point, maybe even attend. Thank you so much.